Guys, I don't know how this happened, but I think I just found the first human city.
This wall feels solid. No cement, no bricks. Just earth and human hands.
Excuse me? What are you cooking?
Grain bread. We grind seeds by stone.
They crush seeds using this heavy stone, and this is their kitchen. Sir, where do you get this clay from?
From the riverbank. We shape and bake it in fire.
Everything here depends on fire. Cooking, warmth, protection.
This looks like their market. Barter system, no money.
Wow, the whole city connects through rooftops. Unbelievable.
These paintings tell their stories: hunting, animals, survival.
How do you hunt?
We hunt together. Alone means death. They even keep animals near homes, early farming life.
They even keep animals near homes. Early farming life.
Water comes from far away. Every drop matters here.
Water comes from far away. Every drop matters here.
This city feels alive, simple but powerful. I can't believe I'm standing inside humanity's first city.
This place changed everything. Wow. Community, safety, future.
People don't use doors here, they enter from the roof. That's wild. This is their home. Simple, warm, and protected.
They sleep on animal skins. Must be cold at night.
You store food for winter?
Yes. Animals disappear when snow comes.
Even kids help with animals. Everyone works here.
These tools are handmade. One mistake and it breaks.
They literally create fire from stone, no matches.
They fix houses constantly. Rain destroys mud fast. One wrong step and you fall inside someone's house.
She's making rope from plants. Oh, insane patience.
Bones become knives, needles, tools. Nothing wasted.
They record life using drawings, early storytelling. Everything here depends on fire. Cooking, warmth, protection. This is how they preserve food. Natural freezer. Even kids have handmade toys. No plastic, no screens. Pure imagination.
The whole city smells like fire and earth.
They don't talk much, mostly signs and sounds. One broken spear can mean death.
This thing is heavy. Daily workout. Nature controls everything here. This place feels ancient, peaceful, powerful.
They pass knowledge by stories, not books.
Families stick close. Survival depends on unity. Someone always watches for danger. Rain can destroy their homes in minutes. I've never seen life this raw.
They survive everything together.
This wasn't just a city. This was the beginning of civilization. Everyone reacts fast, teamwork. Looks like the market area. Everyone is trading instead of using money. Let me ask how much this costs.
Excuse me, how much for this pot? We exchange it for grain or meat.
Nothing is expensive here, only fair trade.
Excuse me, how much for this pot?
We exchange it for grain or meat. Nothing is expensive here, only fair trade.
Night feels dangerous here.
Looks like early animals staying close to humans. They look at the same stars we see today, thousands of years apart.
At night, they gather around fire, sharing stories and warmth.
Fire is their heart. Without it, life stops.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. We'll meet again in the next video.